Good afternoon everybody, Calm Biker here in this pretty little place in the Yorkshire Dales now with Dave behind me and Steve in front. I wasn't quite sure of this route and he's got that big BMW with a magic sat nav on, so can't go wrong, although we did think we had at one point. Head up to the Buttertubs Pass, which I've shown you before, so it's not quite a repeat. Got the drone with us today, so hopefully with any luck,
I don't know what it's saying, because I think it's saying go down to the bottom, come back.
I thought it was that way, to be honest.
Yeah.
See? Sat nav. Let this guy go first.
Right.
We'll go that way, shall we?
Yeah. You want to go?
Even with magical sat nav, it's possible to go the wrong way. Yeah, got the drone with us, so the weather is quite calm, not too much wind, so hopefully can get the drone up here. So if I do, well, that'll be why you're listening to this. Steve is afraid of heights, apparently. Hope he's not too worried by this place. There's certainly a drop when you get up to the top here. Sorry? Dave has said that Steve won't like this. We'll have to get through it quick then, won't we? Good, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll get the drone down it.
That's what I was thinking.
Well guys, I can thoroughly say I was shitting myself. Alright?
Are you alright?
I said to Rich, I said, do you think gonna like this bit?
That's a strange place to keep your banana skin.
Yeah, at least it's not littering.
Yeah.
But it's to keep the wasps away.
Good, isn't it?
That must be an actual spring then, is it?
Hmm. Hang about. Try again.
your helmet on, is it?
You getting your drone up? Quite fun little drone flight there. That's the first time I've flown a drone with another drone being in the air at the same time. Nearby, that is. Steve's not a fan of the heights, so I think the other side is a little bit better for him as we go over the top. Well, hopefully I got some good footage. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Ride safe, and I'll talk to you all again soon.